again, Teacher Joe. J-O, Joe. What time is it? Tick-tock, tick-tock. It's time to learn. Let's learn nature around us.
Today, kids, our topic is about sunlight. Sunlight is very important. It creates energy to people, animals, plants, and trees. There are benefits of sunlight to human health. Our bodies creates vitamin D from sunlight that helps us become healthy and have a strong bones. Vitamin D strengthens your immune system. A healthy body can help us from not getting sick. Sunlight makes you feel happy, like these kids. They are happy. Natural light in the morning will help you sleep better. This boy sleeps well. When there is sunlight, you can go to the beach. You can fly a kite. And you can ride a bicycle. Animals also get vitamin D by eating plants and grass. They get energy from the grass they eat. Trees, flowers, vegetables, and plants need sunlight to help them grow. Sunlight.
Good job, kids! You did good today. I hope you learn again with me next time. See you! This is Teacher Joe. Bye-bye!